Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to customize your dashboard on SiteGround. So I just tap on Safari browser. So if you want to create the account, you will have to purchase the package. And if you want to buy the premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. And after you creating your account, you will have to log in SiteGround. So the point is that how to customize the dashboard on SiteGround. So you will see this is WordPress dashboard. The first thing you see when you access your WordPress admin panel is the dashboard. It is a collection of tools that provide you information at a glance, so you don't have to navigate through different pages to get it. For example, you can see the new comments, mark, and quick draft post. And if you want to see your WordPress dashboard, click on the screen options in the top right part of your screen, and it will expand a panel that will allow you to enable and disable the different information blocks you want to see hide. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.